I believe I'm legally obligated to tell you that all views in this video are my opinion, and I'm not trying to tear down any of these companies that will be discussed. I don't think any big YouTuber would ever discuss this topic, because who wants to fuck up their bread? But, you know, that's the benefit of being a small YouTuber, because I haven't sold my soul yet. I mean, don't get me wrong, I would sell my soul for the bag, but I'm not there yet, so let's go in. Spoiler alert, I'm gonna hate most of these. Alright, we are starting off strong with the good old BetterHelp. I can feel my blood start boiling as I think about BetterHelp, because personally I had my own bad experience with BetterHelp. Also, they just have a lot of sus things going on. If you watch this other video by this creator, I think she goes more into it. The other thing I don't like about BetterHelp is because there's just so many other better options out there. I later learned that I could just get way cheaper therapy from Covered California. I only pay $6 a month. There's just like a slew of problems with BetterHelp. Again, watch the other video. Do not recommend BetterHelp. Immediate F rank or D rank, whatever the lowest is. Moving on, Squarespace. Squarespace is just basic. It's the regular, it's the sponsorship for YouTubers. I think of Matt Diavella when I think of Squarespace. And he was one of those where I wouldn't even skip the ad because he makes it kind of interesting. But for most of these, I would skip the ad because they're just so boring. And I have no negative connotations when it comes to Squarespace. I probably would use them. I think my brother even uses them and he likes it. So let's go for a B rank. Raycon. If you already use Apple products, why would you buy them? You know, just invest into AirPods is my line of thinking. But I guess if you don't use Apple products, I'm like, sure, go for it. They are a bit pricey. Like, they're literally the same price as AirPods, I'm pretty sure. They're kind of whatever, C rank for me. Honey. Also just seems sus to me. I personally do use like a plugin, you know, for getting deals online. I don't think it's Honey, it's just like some random one. Yeah, I see the value of it, but they're definitely selling your information. I mean, I'm pretty sure my other plugin's doing that too, but I think of Shane Dawson when I think of Honey, you know, in his infamous Honey sponsorships. I don't know, I just give it a C rank. Surfshark. Now, I also heard they aren't the greatest VPN and also might be selling your info, but let's be honest, they probably all are. Don't quote me on that. I think their price is actually alright and I was even consider using them. Let's just give it a B rank. Vessi. It's just so uncultured. So uncouth. Sure, maybe if I lived in Forks, Washington, where it rains all the time, I would need some sort of waterproof sneaker. But I live in California, so I honestly think they're just really fugly. So it's a C rank for me. Skillshare. I actually really like Skillshare. It's another OG sponsorship, and I've always loved them because it's a pretty valuable service. You know, you get to learn lessons online. Sure, you can learn everything from YouTube, but like they're actually like good quality teachers on there. My brother also used it, and I'm pretty sure he liked it. And I think it's not even that bad of a price. Yeah, it's like one of those I might not even skip if I see like a creator talking about it because I kind of want to know like, oh, what lessons are they looking into? They're super broad in who they sponsor too. Like, I appreciate that they can sponsor super brand friendly people and like more controversial figures. I respect Skillshare. S rank. Dollar Shave Club. Now, I haven't heard of them in a while. Like, do they even exist still? But again, another chill sponsorship. Their advertising's fun. I think it's a pretty valuable service. I mean, perhaps a little environmentally unfriendly, but not a totally horrible subscription service. One of the better ones. So yeah, they're chill. I would give them an A. Notion. Again, I like Notion. It's a pretty valuable service. I use Notion. I think of Damon Dominique when I think of Notion. He really sold me on it. I think their layouts are cute. I think they're useful and they're free and yeah, good. A. Next category, video games. Raid Shadow Legends. Do we even need to discuss Raid Shadow Legends? Say you're a sellout without saying you're a sellout. Like, it's very ungraceful. Yes. D or F. Okay, now some like oldie, like beauty ones. Sugar Bear Hair. Does anyone remember them? I think they went out of business low-key. I have not heard of them in a while. $30 is insane for some, what, nail and hair growth gummies? I mean, you can just go to Walmart and get it for like 10 bucks probably. It's like the same quality. It's kind of a cop-out. I'm gonna give it a C. Fit Teas. I mean, again, do we need to discuss how bad these are? They're basically laxatives. I mean, it's just so detrimental for your body. If you were on IG or YouTube selling Fit Teas, I automatically would lose my respect for you. It's like when Kim K tried to sell that like lollipop laxative thing too. It's just hair care, function and beauty and pros. I think they're basically the same thing. You fill out a survey to figure out like what hair type you have, and they custom make shampoo and conditioner. Again, I think my brother used this as well. Like, he is the prime candidate for these YouTube sponsorships. Like, he's buying all of them. Anyways, I mean, I think they're actually like one of the better brands because I saw it in his hair. Like, his hair improved from using it. B rank. And last for today, we have our snack box subscriptions, or like just any subscription category, like those dog toy ones or whatever. I see a lot of anime channels or like Japanese based channels really doing like that Japan box one, like for Japanese snacks. And yeah, they are kind of annoying, and low-key, I think they're ripoffs too, because you can just go to Daiso or like an Asian grocery store and get something. But like, I get it if you don't live in an area that has those, maybe it's like a good deal. They're not horrible. I'll give them a C. Those were like the kind of the first sponsorships that came to my mind. But if you want me to do another sponsorship tier list ranking, let me know. Will this probably be the detriment of my channel making this video? Probably. But brands, let me tell you, I am ready to sell my soul at any time, so we'll retract any of these statements. Okay, maybe not BetterHelp, but the rest, I will. Alright, so if you enjoy this video, let me just tell you, my name is Neha. I'm doing Vlogmas. This is probably my second video, I believe, that I posted for Vlogmas. Follow me till Christmas, and I'll be posting videos daily, so please follow along if you like my videos. And yes, signing off.